Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram feed on your Shopify online store. So if you are looking easy and time also money saving solution, then you can continue this tutorial. So let's get started. As usual, I have published an article about these topics on my website, e-commerce thesis, how to add Instagram feed on Shopify store. So here the step-by-step process I have written in my website, and you can follow these tutorials very easily and do this step by step, but it will take a little bit time if we use instead of apps. Here the two process I can show you. One process is following my blog website tutorials and follow this tutorials, or another way, use a free Instagram feed apps from Shopify App Store. So you can select anyone, or you can choose anyone from your interest. So what is the difference from using an Instagram feed apps or do this from manually from Trackbox website? Actually the difference is that using an apps make your website a little bit slow, or using too much apps in your Shopify online store make your website a little bit slow on the website speed performance, and using from custom or third-party website to add Instagram feed make your website fast than using apps. So you can follow anyone, and I'm going to show you here the InstaFeed review, and here the already 800 plus review, and you can know more details or full details from here. What is the benefit of this apps and key feature of this app, and what you get from the free pricing. For your free video support, you can add video and fully customizable grid and slider layout, open in pop-up or link to Instagram, available on all devices. That's main fully responsive. So I recommend these apps for your website to add Instagram feed, and if you like, you can also follow this step. Use Trackbox website as a third-party Instagram feed service provider. So I hope you will try both or anyone as your comfort zone. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more relevant video like this one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.